নমস্কার, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 53, আপনাদের রিকোয়েস্টে কাঁথার এপিসোড। সুতরাং স্টার্ট করি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্ক কাঁথা ইন বটল গ্রিন। পুরোটা হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক। আমি কাঁথার কয়েকটা জিনিস বলে দিই প্রথমেই। কাঁথা ইজ pride of Bengal, and of course these are done by very artistic and very experienced karigars, so that the work there are many kinds of katha which we do in art and all. We don't keep any art kathas, art silk kathas, all on pure Bangalore silk, and hence we give it to the best of karigars so that the work has to be very good because we are using pure fabric. So একটু দেখুন, কাজগুলো কিন্তু প্রচন্ড ভরাটি হয়। See the work, you can understand the finish, and you can understand also how experienced these karigars are. These are not the regular karigars with whom we give cotton ones or anything. These are all done by very skilled craftsmen. So this is the pure Bangalore silk katha, product number 1, episode 53. Price 7,500 in dual tone pure Bangalore silk. So this is the katha work, and fully there will be paisley motif throughout the border, lower border. The upper border will have this kind of narrow border. So this is the work, and this is the blouse piece. So let me tell you few things about katha. When there is all over work, or when there is a lot of embroidery in the katha other than just border pallu, then there is certain shrinkage in fabric. So the very good height ladies will have a little bit of problem in wearing kathas. So what we suggest, like see, this is an all over katha. Usually a width of a sari is 42 and above, but due to this full work, the fabric may be it gets shrinked in between the stitches, so the fabric may come to only 40 to 41 inches. So this part is not a problem, but when it comes to the inside part, there is less work. So see, the work, this part is plain because you will be tucking it. So this part with the length will be okay. The width, not the length, sorry, the width. This is one problem that we sometimes face in katha. The other problem is, since these take months to create, so there may be certain stain marks. Stain marks means because these people dry in the mud and in the fields, so there may be little bit of stain marks in the katha, though we wash it and bring it to our stores, so that you have to adjust, because they are not very prominent, of course, but it may be somewhere inside little bit of marks and all, but usually in dark colors you don't get to see them. So this is again product number 2, 7500 in pure Bangalore silk traditional katha in peacock blue color, a lovely dual tone peacock blue color with border blouse piece. Again, due to a lot of work, the blouse piece may come to 60 inches to 70 inches. Sometimes there is 90 centimeters also, but usually within 80 centimeters. Like this will not have a problem in the width, but till 5'5" height it is okay. These are the honest confessions that I am telling you. And another thing is, the katha work is done in frames. These are attached, the fabric is tightly attached in a frame. So when you attach a fabric in a frame, then maybe not in all, certain fabric stretches, so those are not defects. Don't think those fabric has been damaged or something. No, it has to come because of the framework. So within 1 or 2 washes that goes there. It will not tear from there, so be assured about that. It's a beautiful red color katha in traditional work embroidery. 7,500 rupees in deep red color, lovely red shade with border pallu and small buttas all over, in again pure Bangalore silk, but this is not dual tone. This is in solid red color with blouse piece. So those who doesn't want to make a full red blouse, I would suggest you can make a royal blue or a bottle green color blouse piece and then just attach the border. It will, like what I am wearing, suppose you attach the red border here, it will look very nice. 7,500. So these are traditional kathas. Again, this is a lovely black and white katha. In case, we all love katha, so in case you face any problem in the width or something, you can always attach a fall in the tuck-in part, inside part, so that helps you in this problem, to overcome this problem. If you have, very rarely talkers, it's very rare, but just to tell you, in case you face this problem with few saris, 7,500 rupees, all over traditional black katha, jet black, with thread work in monotone, 7,500. With this you can wear a lovely red blouse, or again a bottle green, or a mustard yellow. Yes, even a mustard yellow will look very nice. This is also in Bangalore silk, solid color, in jet black, a very smart piece, even for corporate wears. And this is the blouse piece border. Again, you can go for a contrast one, or you can wear a white chicken blouse with this. Now comes reverse katha, product number 5, 8,800 rupees, 8800. In case I miss out the prices, or miss out the color or the number, you can just check the description part. All the product price details and the color, the material is going in the scroll in the description below. This is an half and half Bangalore silk dual tone katha. The half part is in dark maroon reverse. Here is the pallu part. Yes, and this is, it will come like this. Very intricate bharati kaj, and here is the pleats. Pleats is joined, and then the bottom part will have this is the blouse piece in off-white, and this is the concept. Here is the look, half and half in maroon and off-white color with reverse katha. Very smart piece. This is a bird katha in mustard yellow and grey black, charcoal black and grey color combination. Product number 6, 8,800 rupees, product number 6. In previous episode, I myself have this one in white. Again, today I am also wearing a white. This is a lovely color combination, very unique work. Just see the embroidery with Oiravat and Munia bird. This is the pallu. The border, both the border will have bharni work, will have fully filling work. This is the border part, and the pleat part, the body part, will have only the outline. So this gives a very, very smart look. Just see, this is the blouse piece. You can wear a jet black or a steel grey color blouse and attach the border again if you wanted contrast. This is the look. So this part will have only the outlines, and the border part will have the filling work. A very smart concept sari in mustard yellow. Now coming to little bit of designer work. 8,500 rupees, 8500. See the pallu. Ganesh work, very artistic. It's only in the pallu part. The body will have only butta. Here is the body. Here is the pallu. If you are liking the products, kindly share, like and subscribe. And to get regular notifications, there is a bell icon on the left hand side. Left or right, I think so, na? Kon dike jani bell icon ta? Left hand side, right hand side. Okay, right hand side there is the bell icon, and then you have to just press it and say all notifications. Then you will get all the video notification, because some of you say even if subscribing you are not getting the notifications. So in that case you have to press the all notifications bell icon. So this is the pleats. The pleats will be, see how beautiful the pleat work is. This is the pleat in stripes, woven and then with work, and then this is the blouse piece. A very very artistic work katha and a very smart look. Just see how beautiful this thing is. So this is the whole concept. Again let me show you the work in the pallu. প্রচন্ড সুন্দর ভরাটি কাজ করা হয়েছে এটার মধ্যে। Another color, similar type of concept but not the same work of course. This is in dark purple color, poppin blue, dual tone purple blue color. Lotus katha in the border in monotone, lotus katha, and here comes the pallu. Ganesh katha 8500, 8500. Very uncommon and the work is also very very neat. Usually I don't make the katha blouse, I just use the border, or maybe I wear it with my numerous raw silks blouse like what I'm wearing today also. This is the blouse piece. With this you can make a contrast blouse and attach the sleeves, or you can make the sleeves with this and do the body part in a different color. The pallu color, any of the pallu color like the red and all you can use, as magenta will look very nice, or maybe a green color blouse will also look very nice with this. White base with black work. So here is another very smart looking katha in Bangalore silk. These are all in Bangalore silk and all hand work. Just see how beautiful the work is. 8,900 rupees, 8900. Till here half sari will have full work, and then from the pleats comes only the border and the buta. In pure Bangalore silk, we have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by and both has two different stock, two kind of stocks. So you can visit both the branches. So, and we have the tailoring unit also where we tailor you can tailor the blouses and also the suits, kurtis, whatever. We have menswear section in Cornfield Road branch. We have made a 51 episode was on menswear, so you can have a look for those who are interested in menswear collection. Potochitro Katha. It's a beautiful story in the form of thread work, fully in Bangalore silk, in panel style. Just see the beautiful artistic work in royal blue, pallu, and price 8,900 rupees, 8900. Just see the artistic embroidery. How many colors have been used in this figure? Absolutely stunning piece of art. You can, later you can make these as runners, or you can make, wall hangings, blouses, jackets. You can make 3 jackets for your family members, your son maybe, or your daughter and your husband, yourself. Multiple uses of katha because they are in pure product and all handwork product. So this is the look. One more thing, when I had posted pictures of the silk sarees, like don't think this is part of this sari, this is my sari. So it was a bit of confusion, so আমি ভালো করে সমস্ত খুলে দেখাচ্ছি। আচ্ছা আমি একটু বলে দিই, আমি যে শাড়িটা পরে আছি এটাও কিন্তু ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্কের ওপর মাল্টিপল কালার্সে কাঁথা করা হয়েছে, ইন মিল্ক হোয়াইট ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্কে পুরো মাল্টিপল কাঁথা, 8500 রুপিস, 8500। এটা পুরো রোজের ওপর পুরোটা এমব্রয়ডারি করা উইথ টাসেলস। এটা পাটলি পাল্লুতে যাচ্ছে, এটা পুরোটা পাটলিতে যাচ্ছে। প্লিটস অ্যান্ড আঁচল বর্ডার কনসেপ্ট, প্লিট আঁচল বর্ডার কনসেপ্ট। এটার সাথে যে ব্লাউজ পিসটা আমি দিয়েছি will be white with the same border running, 8500 rupees the sari price. The pair of bangles that I'm wearing, it's a lovely piece of green stone setting filigree work oxidized silver bangle, 1350 rupees pair. And the neck piece that I'm wearing with red and green stone, this is also in oxidized silver, 1600 for the neck piece. It can be adjusted, you can lengthen the length also because it has tassels. 1650 or 1600 the neck piece, 1350 for the pair of bangles. And I have lovely two more colors in this, same price. One is in royal blue like the one previous sari that I showed, or the purple Ganesh sari. This will look very nice with that, 1600, not 1650, correct, it's 1600 with tassels. This is a lovely neck piece, choker kind. And also another one I have, it's in black. So three colors, one is the one that I'm wearing bicolor stone, and the others are in royal blue and another in black, 1600 for the neck piece. Another Bangalore silk Varli Katha in solid color, in single color thread work in folk Varli. Beautiful artistic sari in jet black and red. ₹8,800, 8800. Very, very smart sari. 8800. You know, with this silver looks very nice, and then of course gold will also look nice, jewelry. And you can wear a red blouse, or the black blouse will also look very smart. But no other colors. You can experiment with your jewelry, but not with the blouse, because red, because I want to highlight the work. If you wear a contrast, either red or black, this is the blouse piece. Because too much contrast, because since it's a monotone color combination, so better to wear the sari blouse or a red blouse. So this is the look, very, very smart one. Fish Katha in multiple colors. Product number 12, 8,800 rupees. Product number 12. Just see the work. So many colors have been used, but all are blending so well with each other. Just see the combination, the embroidery, the finish, the work. This is the full thread work. And this is the back side. Again in Bangalore silk. Here is the half sari will have all over work, and the rest will have the border. Again, let me tell you, this is part of my sari, so here is the look. This is the blouse piece. Batik Katha in Bangalore silk. I made an episode on Batik Katha and got very good response. Then again, I've made some new fresh colors in crack batik. This is rustish red. Just see the embroidery, the finish, the work. This is the back part. This is the front part. This is the pallu. পুরো ভরাটি কাজ, কাজটা খালি দেখুন, এত পরিষ্কার, neat work. Back, totally thread work, and just see, very smart look because the color combination and the cracks are also very prominent. And the blouse will be in coffee black color. It's actually black, but when you dye it with this red color, little tone gets, so it shows a bit of coffee, but it's actually black. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. Again, the description is going. If you like the product, there are 2 WhatsApp number that is going. 8,500 rupees sari price. For calling, if you have to call in case of any emergency, use the landline number, or you call in the 983 number, and the 760 number 76030 that number is only for WhatsApping. So here is the another lovely deep turquoise blue crack batik katha in Bangalore silk with temple work. 8,500 rupees batik katha, 8500 with very intricate thread work along with the border and 1 meter pallu, temple border, and this is the sari. Black blouse with work. Pink, and that also a very beautiful shade of pink. The work, the back, the pallu, 8,500 again with black blouse. Coffee black blouse. Very sweet color. Crack batik katha with blouse piece. খুব সফট, এত সফট পলিশ গুলো একদম কমপ্লিট করা আছে. All I have to do is once I receive your transfer, I just have to ship the product. These are all ready. Just I'll fold it, I'll pack it, and I'll ship it. Just 2 days I need to get it ready for a bit of ironing because I'm opening the saris, and for packing another day. So that's it. So then it will be ready to ship. But first come first serve basis. As soon as I receive the product, it will be confirmed, and then we'll ship it. This is the pallu part. In leaf, no border, but full sari in stripe work. 8,500. Peach pink color. Very smart sari, different because this doesn't have a border, it's only in stripes, and that also in lovely leaf geometric work. So this makes it a bit different. This is the blouse. আমাদের শোরুমে কিন্তু আরো প্রচুর কাঁথা আছে, যারা আপনারা এটা ছাড়াও কাছাকাছি থাকেন, I request you to visit the store for more options. Regular নতুন কাজ হয়ে আসছে. So this is another dual tone, very beautiful panel katha in multicolor thread, and the color is maroon, dual tone color. Price 8,500 rupees. Product number 178500. All over work, half sari, and then comes the broad border from the pleats. আমি প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি আপনাদের ড্রেপ করে দেখাচ্ছি, মুখে বলে দিচ্ছি, কালারও মেনশন করে দিচ্ছি। সুতরাং আর যেহেতু দিস আর হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক অনলি ওয়ান পিস প্রোডাক্ট, তো এটা কিন্তু আর ডুপ্লিকেট পিস পাবেন না, এটার অর্ডারও হবে না। তো আবার নতুন নতুন এপিসোড দেখতে থাকবেন, নতুন কাজ আবার যখন হয়ে আসবে আমি আবার সেগুলো আবার দেখাবো। দেখুন কাজটা কি সুন্দর লাগছে। মাস্ট ইন এভরি ওয়ার্ড্রোব, কাঁথা নানান রকম ভ্যারাইটি আপনাদের ওয়ার্ড্রোবে রাখা হচ্ছে, কারণ এত ভালো ভালো কাজ করছি আমরা, কাজ কারিগররা করছে, মানে এত সুন্দর কাজগুলো হয়ে আসছে। দেখুন এই কালারটাও পুরো পিকক ব্লু এর ওপর ডায়াগনাল। দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম আই এম শোয়িং এ ডায়াগনাল ওয়ান, মানে এই এপিসোডে আঁচল থেকে কাজটা পুরো ডায়াগনালি যাবে, খুব ভালো লাগে কারণ এটা কালারটা হচ্ছে পিকক ব্লু এর ওপর, আর কালার কম্বিনেশনটা খুব সুন্দর। 8500 স্টাইলটা তাহলে বুঝতে পারবেন। আমি যে ড্রেপ করে দিচ্ছি না, আমি তো লাইভ প্রোগ্রাম কখনো করি না, আমি ইউটিউবেই করি। প্লাস আপনি আমাদের ফেসবুক পেজ দেখবেন সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা, ওখানে নকশি কাঁথার অ্যালবাম আছে, প্লাস ওখানে রিভার্স কাঁথার অ্যালবাম আছে, ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্ক কাঁথার অ্যালবাম আছে। তো ওখানে আরো অপশনস দেখতে পাবেন, বাটিক কাঁথার অ্যালবাম আছে। দেখুন কাজটা কিরম যাচ্ছে, এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসটা, ব্লাউজ পিসেরও বর্ডারে ওয়ার্ক আছে। সো ওটাকে ফলো করুন। ইউ হ্যাভ টু লাইক দ্য পেজ সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা's Facebook page to see more options in the albums and also the Insta page. The link is already sent, provided in the description below. কাইন্ডলি শেয়ার করবেন, একটু কমেন্ট করবেন যদি ভালো লাগে আমার প্রোগ্রাম, কি কি দেখতে চান সেগুলো আপনার রিকুইজিশনস পাঠাতে পারেন। and when you book the product, kindly send the screenshot along with the number of the product. Mention your name please, and also where I have to ship the product, so that I can understand in one complete message that this is where the product needs to be shipped. Your name and the amount that needs to be paid will be told instantly. And since now there are I'm getting messages regularly, within few hours there are 200-300 messages. I may be a little bit slow in replying, but definitely you will get a reply. So please have patience, and once the payment is done, I'll give you the confirmation after checking. So don't worry at all. We are a 25-year-old renowned store, and so you can be absolutely assured that your product and your money is in safe hands. This is the blouse piece, 3D katha. This is the blouse piece. So you can make the sleeves in this lime green color and the back side in mustard yellow. Beautiful 3D color in all peacock blue and peacock green. Geometric katha, 8,900 rupees. 3D katha. আমি চট করে আরো কটা 3D কাঁথা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 20, দুটো 3D কাঁথা দেখালাম, এছাড়া আরো 3D কাঁথা আছে। ব্লু এর ওপর ডুয়াল টোন, দেখুন পুরোটা সিঙ্গেল কালারে কাজটা করা হয়েছে, আঁচলের মধ্যে এভাবে যাচ্ছে। এটা কিন্তু woven, the stripes are woven, it's not dyed, it's totally woven. The sari itself is woven, and 8,900 rupees in dual tone Bangalore silk. Beautiful concept and all over work with broad border, all over buta, and contrast blouse piece in magenta, and then the lower part will be, you can just mix and match, it will give a lovely look. This is the dual tone blouse piece, and this is the sari. 8,900 rupees, product number 20. And since these had come, আমি তার জন্য একটু চট করে দেখিয়ে দিই, আরো দুটো কাঁথা আমি দেখাচ্ছি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 21, এটা হচ্ছে যামিনী রায় কাঁথা ইন টাসার, geometric katha Jamini Rai. This has been acid painted, and then the filling has been done in Guriran katha. Very, very interesting work. This part is fully in katha Guriran with acid paint, and this is our famous painter Jamini Rai painting that has been done in that kind of concept has been we have been inspired by the Jamini Rai art and done in this Tasar Katha. This is fully in work and paint. The whole sari will not have a border, only in stripes. ভীষণ সুন্দর পরিষ্কার কম্বিনেশনের কাজ উইথ কন্ট্রাস্ট পপিন ব্লু ব্লাউজ পিস ইন রয়্যাল ব্লু। এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা আসছে। শাড়িটা দেখুন, ভীষণ সুন্দর। 8,900 and the last one another Jamini Rai। দুটো কালার আমি দেখিয়ে দিলাম, আরো এপিসোডস করব যখন যখন কাজ যেরকম আসবে। The previous one was in black and this is in natural color, multicolor. This is the pallu, 8,900, product number 22, and with a beautiful shade of mustard yellow blouse piece with border. Thank you so much for watching, and please comment and then message me if you're liking the product. Kindly message me in the WhatsApp numbers provided to you. Thank you so much.